Hey everybody, this is Daniel Kentucky Atheist Hall, and I'm doing an unboxing video. My first unboxing video. I got some packages here. I'm not sure what's in this box, but I do know what's in this box, and this is the Trick or Treat Studios Chucky skull and I think medallion. But let's find out together.
Okay.
You can hear me.
Man, they already taped this thing up, didn't they?
What?
Okay,
Yeah,
this is the medallion. And I was right. This is the skull. Put that in there for now. So that's the Chucky skull. And I'm so excited. This thing did not want to come out of the box. Oh my god, I gotta cut this tape too. Oh, wow. Look how beautiful. I've seen videos of these, but in person, this really looks extremely good in person. I like the little teeth. Nah. And it comes with a stand. Or is it a microphone?
She had to hang up on you.
Should be alright. Or is it a microphone? Tell the audience what you think.
I mean...
This is a plate thing. It says Child's Play 2. And this screws on. And I'm not sure if this is the life-size Chucky doll or the Back to the Future hoverboard. It's one of the two.
I'm pretty sure it's the Chucky doll.
I had no idea. That's a stand. Then you stick that in there. That is going to be a great display for the room.
I like that.
Love it. Okay. Oh, forgot about the medallion.
What's the medallion?
You know, where Chucky holds it to do his voodoo magic spell.
Oh, yeah.
Avide, Dumbella, bring me the power I beg of you. Oh, I should show the, okay, right here. This is make it great. Oh.
Heavy, isn't it?
Wow, yes. It's definitely made out of metal. That's going to be great for my Chucky display. Now, let's get the big box. Where's the knife? Okay, this is I think I'm not sure. Oh my God, it's the Chucky doll. Look how, and I'm using this box as a display piece. Oh, I need to get that thing out of here. Yes, this is the Chucky doll. I want to open this one carefully because I plan to keep the box too. We don't need that one. Well, maybe, I don't know. What? Wow, he looks really good in person. I like his feet. I'm gonna keep this part. I think you need that. Wow, he looks really amazing. You're not gonna kill me, are you? Ugh. There we go. Looks like he is posable. This is it right here. Full shot. The feet. I really like the shoes, feet. I could see somebody replacing those shoelaces with the good guy shoelaces. I probably won't, but I could see somebody do that. I really like the outfit, but I could see somebody replacing it with a lighter outfit. I probably won't do that either. I'm really impressed. Wow. I've always wanted a good guy doll ever since I was little. And now I feel like I finally got one.
Creepy.
I might have to get the knife and put in his hand and display it and be like, you think he'll... Now, I could also see somebody putting a speaker in here that has all the Chucky doll quotes. Or even the Charles Lee Ray quotes. Now, I definitely will end up putting a voice box in here. With the good guy Chucky quotes.
There you go.
I think my buddy Brad's gonna love this thing.
She put it here. I know it's like where to put it at.
Freak him out when he goes
Freak
to
him
his
out.
3D printer.
Put it behind the.
Okay, I'm not looking to be mean to people, especially my friends.
I do it. I do it.
But this is really something. And I'm keeping the box as a prop. And what I'm thinking is, let me put this box back together. See, I noticed in the movie the thing is great, so I'm putting this thing in upside down. Like this. I did order a poster, so I will be taking that out so that way I can put the Chucky inside here. Well, it'll look like the Chucky doll is in there. And then I'm going to have him displayed kind of right there. And I'm going to put this on top of here with the medallion. This thing is heavy. Oh, and you know what else I need to do? Turn this around. So It's weird. I wasn't expecting Chucky to come in until the 7th. So, that's why I kind of thought that could have been my hoverboard. Because I think it's supposed to come in on the 5th. I'm not sure. I have to look again. But yes. This is my Chucky unboxing video review. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I want to do some more unboxings in the near, definitely will in the close future. But in the near further future too. I couldn't be any happier with this. See, that's how I want to display it. Like that right there. In our room.
Okay. I don't know.
Well, I was going to show, but I can't turn the camera around. I am not good with, But what do you think, Michaela? You like it?
I mean, I like him, but it was creepy. He looks like he's staring at you.
I think he looks lovable. I think he looks like he's kind of got that look like I just want to give you a hug.
But in reality, he must have killed you.
On the back of his mind, thing wants to stab the shit out of you.
Yeah.
Well, I love it. I absolutely love it. Because I wanted something more than just Ghostbuster props that I've worked on. Did you take a picture of that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely do that.
It looks like he's smiling for the camera.
But this is definitely my video review.
What are you?
I got them for a good price on eBay. And they don't have too many left on eBay for the price point I got him. Now I'm seeing him for like 115, 125, 129, 130. All the way up to $300. But if you do want this doll, I would suggest hurrying up and get it while you can on eBay, or maybe when Spirit Halloween stores open near Halloween, picking up one then. Because you'll probably get them at the Spirit Halloween stores between, I want to say, 70 and 90 bucks. But he is definitely worth it. Definitely worth it.
We're just gonna admire it and.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna spend the rest of my life admiring it.
Oh, he moves.
Yeah. I just thought he looked too
Stiff?
over this way. No. He's a doll. Of course he's gonna be stiff. I mean, it looks like he's looking directly at me. Like. Okay, that is creepy. I love it though. Absolutely love it. Alright, well, thanks for watching my video. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment sections.